Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Xcode installed and a project open. Once done, choose the app scheme at the toolbar's top left and pick a device family. Then, open Window, Devices and Simulators to verify the iOS runtime versions. Make sure a desired simulator is available. You do this because the simulator must match the build target. Finally, press Command-R or click the Run button to trigger a build and boot sequence so the simulator can launch. Now you let Xcode compile and install the app. That happens automatically with Run. While the simulator boots, open the simulator's hardware menu to simulate rotation, home button presses, or memory warnings. Use Debug to toggle slow animations or view the view hierarchy. Once the app is running, interact with it using your mouse or keyboard. Type into fields, drag elements, and use the location menu to simulate GPS. This helps reproduce real-world behaviors during testing and debug cycles. To finish, stop the app and examine logs in Xcode's console for warnings or crashes. You want clear stack traces to fix issues. If the simulator behaves oddly, reset content and settings from the simulator menu, then rebuild. That often clears corrupted state. If builds fail, perform a clean build folder and reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: if the simulator won't boot, quit simulator and Xcode, delete derived data, restart Xcode, and try again. That usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.